Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear breakfast lovers and cooking enthusiasts, tuning in. Small ingredient changes can make a big difference in your bread omelette. That's where the Bread Omelette recipe and serving calculator from Youthbuddy comes in. Bread omelette is a famous Indian street-style breakfast prepared with eggs, bread, onion, green chili, and aromatic spices, creating a quick, delicious, and protein-rich meal enjoyed across India. It's commonly served at tea stalls, roadside eateries, and railway stations, making it a favorite choice for busy mornings, evening snacks, or light dinners. Simply enter the required number of persons, and the calculator instantly updates every ingredient with the correct measurements for your serving size. The page also provides useful recipe information, including preparation time, cook time, total time, course, diet type, difficulty level, calories, and the pan-frying cooking method. You'll also find helpful cooking notes, famous info highlights, and an estimated nutrition summary with calories, protein, carbohydrates, and fat for every serving. Customize your bread omelette with optional add-ons like cheese, tomato, butter, or coriander to create different flavors according to your preference. Below the calculator, you'll find the updated ingredient list based on the number of persons you selected. Right beside it, the complete preparation steps guide you through every stage of cooking, from preparation until serving. Save the ingredient list with copy ingredients or use print for a neatly formatted recipe copy. Once everything is ready, simply follow the preparation steps. Break the eggs into a bowl, add the chopped onion, green chili, coriander, salt, black pepper, and red chili powder, then mix everything together until well combined. Heat a pan with oil or butter, pour the egg mixture evenly, then place the bread slices on top and press them gently. Flip carefully, then cook both sides until they become golden brown and lightly crisp. Serve hot with tomato ketchup, green chutney, or a hot cup of tea for a simple and satisfying meal. Fresh bread and cooking on a medium flame help deliver the best flavor and texture as recommended in the cooking notes. Its combination of quick preparation, budget-friendly ingredients, and high protein makes it a satisfying meal whenever you need something quick and filling. Accurate ingredient measurements and easy-to-follow cooking steps help you prepare delicious homemade bread omelette with confidence. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.